Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Cash App in a store. Let's get started. First, open the Afterpay app on your phone and make sure it's updated. On the home screen, you might see stores listed, but if not, just use the search bar and type the store you want to shop at. If the store shows up, tap on it. If it doesn't, it simply means it's not active right now, and you'll need to check back later. Once the store loads inside Afterpay, you'll be redirected to their website. Shop like normal, add your items to the cart, and then head to checkout. At checkout, Afterpay will give you a one-time virtual card. This card works like a debit card and is tied to your Afterpay account. Here's where Cash App comes in. Open Cash App. Go to the Add Card option and enter the card details Afterpay generated. Once it's saved, you can pay with your Cash App balance, and Afterpay will handle splitting your payments into installments. After the order goes through, you can check everything inside the Afterpay app under Purchases, where you'll see your order and payment schedule. If your chosen store doesn't appear in Afterpay, refresh or try again later. If Cash App doesn't accept the card, make sure the app is updated and that you have enough balance. If your payment fails, double-check that the billing information matches correctly. And that's all you need to make Cash App Afterpay work at your favorite stores.